un'insalata di couscous e caponata di verdure.
Salad with couscous and vegetable caponata and seafood salad. We're going to start with couscous. We're going to make it with some turmeric too. So let's heat up the oil so that it's nice and hot and smoking so that we can toast the couscous. In the meantime, we're going to put some turmeric together with our couscous. Let's keep some hot water ready so that when the couscous is ready, we're going to straight away wet it with some warm water, let it absorb the water, and then we're going to set it aside covered with plastic. And we can put the couscous, salt, as if it were a risotto, and we're going to let it blend up. Starting to toast nicely and take some color. Gonna make sure that it's nice and warm so that the water will be absorbed immediately. Turn off the heat and put the water. Not too much. So it will absorb perfectly. See, as it absorbs nicely and it will remain nice and grainy. With the heat it will keep cooking. Now it has absorbed all the water. And we'll cook with the heat, and we're going to cover it with plastic so that it keeps cooking with the steam. Now we're going to prepare our vegetable caponata. Simply some oil, warm oil. We prepared some zucchini, aubergines and bell peppers cut into cubes so that they all have the same cooking time. Even if they are different vegetables with different consistencies, if they're cut so small they can cook in the same time. And then once cooked, we're going to put it together with our couscous to season. So let's wait for the oil to be hot, always to avoid that what we put in it sticks to the pan. Vegetables in. Must be a quick cooking so that we keep the crunch and the color of them. Saute, adding some garlic oil, chili oil, and some parsley too lastly. So the parsley now. we can turn up the heat. Our couscous is cooked and nice and grainy. We can add our vegetables. We can add some clam water to recall the seafood salad we're going to make. Without turning off the heat, we're just mixing it. On the other side, we're taking some octopus tentacle, cutting it into pieces. Going to put it in a bowl. Some mussels, previously open. And some clams. I'm going to season the whole thing with some salt, some oil, parsley, chili oil, and garlic oil. Mixing everything and letting it take some flavor. Now we have our preparations ready. We can plate up our seafood salad and couscous with vegetables. We're going to lay down our couscous. Using a large pasta cutter. Some droplets of salt, parsley sauce to get some creaminess. Let's put our seafood, mussel. This kind of decomposed seafood salad. Clams. Everything, of course, has been previously seasoned with salt, oil, parsley, garlic oil, chili oil, some lemon zest if you like. Octopus too. Some mussels one because they get color. Some comfy tomatoes. some red onion petals that we previously blanched so that we complete the vegetable caponata. Also gives a touch of purple color, which is very nice. Removing our mold, finishing with some turmeric around to recall, the one we use for the couscous. Drizzle of oil, and the dish is ready.